In this demo, configuring address book policies, we're going to configure a GAL, configure an offline address list, and configure an address book policy. We'll start off on EX1 and open Exchange Management Shell. The first command we're going to run will create the global address list. Let's analyze the command a little more closely. We'll use the new global address list command, give it a name, specify that it's conditional upon the research department and includes all recipients. And you can see that that was included. And there's the programmatic filter. Next, we're simply going to update the global address list. Now let's create the offline address book. With the new offline address book command, we'll give it a name and specify the address lists to include, and that would be our research GAL address list. And that shows that the procedure was successful. Now we're going to create an address book policy. We'll give it a name, specify the address lists involved. The offline address book, we'll call it Research OAB. Specify the global address list and specify the rooms. Now let's retrieve our research users and then modify their address book policy property to include the new address book policy. Let's go to client 1. Allie has just logged on. She's configuring Outlook for the first time. She wants to add an email account. It will find her and automatically populate those fields. Then it will test connectivity. Look for her information and successfully log on to the mail server. And she was successful. First things first dialog pops up and she's going to select Ask Me Later. Now she's going to click Address Book and then select the research list from the drop-down to verify that the members of the research OU appear. And they do. Another successful demo. See you next time.